In the quiet of December nights, when stars feel closer than before, the GST Beacon of Hope stand 45 meters tall. Her light stands strong against the sky, shining hope for all to see. With over 6 kilometers of lights lighting the night sky.
But hope is more than height, more than steel and shining beams. It's every heart we've reached, every child who dares to dream.
This is Africa's tallest Christmas tree. From South Africa, Peking glows, lighting paths we couldn't see. Proof that when we stand as one, hope becomes our legacy.
Hope is not only measured in height. Hope is measured in hearts reached, hands held tight, lives renewed. This is more than Christmas lights, this is love in action too.
Merry Christmas from Team GST.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.